everybody, this is me Adra Pushpanathan and you're watching The Crazy Mess. Today I am posting a tutorial video for slow motion and reels. So basically I used to do a lot of slow motion videos for TikTok which got banned. Now I do that for reels. I shoot my videos in iPhone like the slow motion. If you are not an iPhone user, you can use these tricks also. Like you can use slow motion option in the video editor. Like you can slow down the speed to 0.5, which doesn't make a lot of irritating slow kind of videos. Yeah, but if you are an iPhone user, these tricks will genuinely help you. InShot was the app I used before, but now I use Vllo app, which is available in iPhone and also in Android, so you can clearly use it. I use the paid version because I edit my Vllo videos also in it, but you can just use the normal one. And yeah, let's see the tutorial.
Okay, now let's start editing. First I used InShot, but now I use Vllo app. You can see the create video session, you can select it, and there is a video part. Yes, you can see a lot of videos there, and you can choose the video you want to edit. So I'm going to choose mine. Okay, let me find it. Yeah, it's there. And yeah, you can select the ratio you want, and yeah, click the red button. Yay, loading. Yeah, now you got the video. And you can scroll and understand how long it is. Now I have to cut short it, so I'm going to select the video. Okay, now I have selected the video. Now I have to position it and resize it. So I'm going to make it into a full screen mode, and yeah, it's in the one and it's completely full. Now I'm positioning it by dragging the video to front and back. Okay, now that's done. Now my video looks presentable. You can also see there is a lot of options below, like flip, crop, rotation and all. I'm not gonna do that. Okay, done. So next we have to do is to select a music. Okay, so there is a lot of musics in Vllo app, which is free of course, and you can also use a paid version. Now I'm using my own music, so I'm going to go for documents, downloads, and find my music, which is not there. Oh, okay, there is. Okay, coming. Okay, why I can only see BTS here. Okay, found. Where? Okay, there is Girls Like You. Next I'm going to crop the audio into a preferable thing, and I think it's good. I don't know how it sounds. Let's see. Play the audio by clicking. Okay, so I think it is too much ahead, so I'm going to crop it again, and still ahead of it. Go. Okay, it's not yet in a good way, so I'm gonna crop it till it reaches a good stanza maybe. Okay, let's find it. Okay, I think this is much I am needed, and I'm gonna drag it to the front. Okay, now let's see how it is. Now the main part that we have to cut and make it look good. So about editing is that you have to have a continuation while doing your video should have a continuing progression. So you have to cut and crop it. So you can use the split option to cut your videos, and you can drag it or you can make it small parts. And yeah, now I'm going to give shortcuts, or you can call it split, and whenever I'm splitting, I'm going to take a little bit ahead and I'm going to delete a small piece so that it looks like a continuation but a very smooth transition to it. So I'm going to cut it and make it look like it is something very hard working thing. Haha. People have to think that you have done so much work in it, but it is not like that. You just have to remove few clips here and there, and to make it look you have done a lot of work in it. So I'm going to split it, delete the clips, do it again and again so that it looks good. Yeah, now I'm going to find a place where I don't look creepy, and I think the main stanza is going to come. So I'm going to see how my twirling and rotating skills worked on the video. So I'm going to cut it, see how it is, and I think some of the clips really looks good and some of them are just me doing some weird stuff, and the slow-mo camera really captured me in a pathetic way. But yeah, you can see my face looks so good. Yeah, good. Now, yeah, turning into an ugly piece. What I'm doing? Okay, this clip is good. I like this one. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, good one, Adira, good one. Okay, don't make it so obvious. So you have to cut it and delete a small clip so that it looks like small transitions. And yeah, I like this one. I'm gonna add this one. Okay, don't too much. Gonna delete some of it, and yeah, let's look, guys. Okay, does it matches the other thing? Okay, let's see. Okay, this looks nice. I think it's fine. Like, you can see me looking all beautiful in the video. Oh my god, that was so bad. But yeah, what am I even doing? I should not have done that, but it's fine. You need some clips to make sure you look good, I guess. This is so frustrating. Why am I doing this? Okay, what's with that face? Okay, why I'm smiling like this? But I think it's look nice or bad. I don't know. Maybe it's okay. Okay, I'm smiling too much. And what am I doing? Okay, I'm not gonna show the rest. I showed it to you guys. Oh my god, it's bad. Okay, let's delete that and see how this one looks like. So I think it looks nice, but I have to add more splits to it so that I will not look continuously smiling to some random thing. So yeah, let's see how this goes. Okay, good. Nice. Okay, this one is fine, absolutely good. Okay, smiling way too much of the Pushpa, and way too much of smiling in one video. Okay, what's that with your head? Okay, now that we have the video, we have to split it again. Okay, and somebody's sending me so many snaps. What's wrong with them? Okay, now this one is my favorite. You can add transitions to your video by clicking animations, or you can add by clicking the white buttons and select your transitions. So according to your wish, you can add up the speed or reduce the speed. Now I really like it slow, like in a fast mode, so I always go for 0.5, and yeah, add few crazy transitions like slide up, slide down, zoom out, zoom in, or black in, white out, whatever you want to do with the transitions. Add it up, girl, add it. Okay, let's see. I'm just going to play around. I'm not gonna show it like a very professional one, because in my videos I always try to make it look very natural and good. Here I'm just adding a few messed up transitions to look at. What? Okay, I think I'm going overboard with this. What am I even doing? Okay, but I think it's fun to play around for a while. Okay, let's see. What? Okay, you can also add these graphical ones which will look good if you're doing something very creative, but I'm not going to add it because I might look stupid with all that graphic things popping up. So yeah, let's see. Let's add more transitions. Okay. Oh god, why there is so many clips? And for everybody who asked me about how I edit my YouTube videos, this is kind of the same thing I do with them, but not exactly what I do, because this is a slow motion video and my YouTube videos are more into, making me look stupid and making it look more presentable. So yeah, but I still use the same app, and yeah, I'm saying how this transition is working on this video. Oh my god, what a pretty girl. I must say, you look good in this video, but not in your real life, girl. Just oh god. So this is done. Adding up transitions is done. And yeah, what am I even doing? Okay, now I'm showing you guys. You can also, increase the volume. Like it's 100%, but you can add it up to 500, which is actually nice when I'm shooting my YouTube videos and editing it. Some video clips doesn't have a lot of sound, so if I add it to 500, it can make your ears bleed. Haha. Okay, I'm just being so sadistic now. I'm gonna go back to my thing. So there is also a lot of things you can explore in Vllo app, like stickers. Oh, my favorite part. I love to play with stickers in my YouTube videos. If you have watched my YouTube videos, you will know it. Check it out and tell me how it is. You can also see many frames. I have recently used one in my latest video, and there you also have captions, and you can also add pictures, gif, and even videos, so that you can make it look so professional. Okay, let's see. I'm adding something. Okay, this is something which I wanted to show you guys. So many people asked me how I did the grain effect, so this is how I done it. I downloaded a overlay from YouTube, then I placed it, and now I'm going to reduce the opacity to 20 to 24. Okay, now it looks like I have grains in my video. Ooh. So this is added. Use the PIP option. I used it and I just added the video and reduced the opacity. Now you have a very aesthetic looking video. So yes. Oh my god, how many times are you going to show the same clip to you guys? I feel so sad for you guys, but so sorry. Okay, now I'm done with the look. You can also do animations in font, like you can play with the text and you can do anything you want. And about the text, you can see there is a lot of options and there is a lot of pop-outs, crazy things you can add to make it look good. Also, these captions also help you a lot. Yeah, see, you can always see and add filters. Oh my god, that looks scary. Okay, this is fine. Okay, I usually use this P3 or P2, P1 in my videos because it looks natural. But today I'm not in a mood to add any filters, so I'm just going with the original one. Okay, so I think the video is done, so I'm gonna save it, or you can call it an export video, and it's done.
yeah, thank you for watching and subscribe.